Hi mga best, it's your girl again, Raymund, and in today's video, I will help you to do curls with your hair. So, I was born naturally not curly. Pinagawa ko lang to last week sa Claveria, but look what happened. Medyo bumalik na siya sa dati kong buhaghag na hair. So, what I'm going to do now is do a DIY curls na perm.
Your girl Raymund.
So, instead na ibaba nyo yung hair nyo sa mga chemicals and destroying your hair, basically, gagawin natin ngayon is just basic, rubber bands or sun real curl and hairspray para bongga na. So, let's start doing the business, girl. So, first, i-separate natin yung hair natin into groups. So, wala mo ng chika ngayon. So, what you're going to do is twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, and twist, twist, twist it like that. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Ayan. After that, ilagay nyo lang yung sanrio. Iipit. Oh my God, girl. Oh, look. Iipit nyo lang siya. So, ganyan. Dapat hindi masisira yung hair mo. Hindi loose yung pagkakatali. Yan. Gawin nyo lang yan sa buong hair nyo. So, So there you go, guys. Those are the steps para bongga na yung buhok mo and to achieve natural and safe na pagka-curls na parang perm. So to end this up, lalagyan lang natin siya ng hairspray para kumapit yung curls talaga. Then patuyuin. And let's see kung ano ang result for tomorrow. So, let's find out tomorrow, mga best! So, ayun na mga guys. I slept for almost 8 hours. 8 hours ba yun? So, today, aalisin na natin siya. So there you go guys. Ito na ang result ng aking DIY curls. And para na siyang, para na siyang bunot na paglampaso or whatsoever. So basically, super very wrong ang aking hair. Oh my God. I cannot. Pero ito lang yung pinaka-safe na gawin to do curls with your hair, basically. So, balik tulog ulit ako kasi wala pa akong tulog. And if you like this video, please click the like button and the subscribe button para bongga na, diba?
Expectation.
What I was doing, I wasted everyone's money, I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad. If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.